Hi Tim, I'm Kenny. I'm going to be walking you through the session today. Before we begin, I have some information I'm going to have to read to you to cover everything. We're going to interview the website. It shouldn't take any longer than 20 minutes. We're going to be testing the site and not you. Anything you say is not going to be judged or considered incorrect. Feel free to give your honest feedback. This is best for the web developers and their feelings will not be hurt. As we run through the test, please follow directions, speak and try to think out loud as much as you can, and ask questions if you need to. I might not be able to answer some of them because we are testing you and how well the website works. So if you need a break, just let me know. We have a microphone going as well as a screen recording. So if you could just give verbal permission that I can use this in a presentation / for my class.
You can use my voice for recording.
Nice. Do you have any questions so far?
No.
All right. So just a little bit background about you. What is your occupation?
I'm a student.
How often do you use the internet?
Every day.
How many hours a day would you say?
The majority of every hour that I'm awake, I'm in some way on the internet.
And is that with like social media, Netflix, homework? What is the most common thing you do on the internet?
Probably Netflix.
Netflix. What is your favorite TV show?
Weeds.
Weeds. It's not a bad show. Have you ever watched How I Met Your Mother?
No.
No. Okay. So this is a web test on a website based on How I Met Your Mother. Have you ever done a web test before?
Yes.
You have.
I have.
All right. So we're on the home screen now.
Yep.
You can scroll up and down. There's no scroll bar here. Don't click on anything yet. So what do you see on the home screen?
See 5 links. Some pretty cool background art. Is that the is that How I Met Your Mother related?
It is relative to How I Met Your Mother.
Cool. And the title. I like it. Cool font.
Could you give me 1 to 2 sentences of what each link would do?
So home is probably going to bring me back here. The gang, I'm assuming, would be like the cast, the main characters. Seasons probably has something to do with the seasons of the show. Bloopers probably would take me to like YouTube videos of bloopers maybe, or something like that. Tie-in sites like other How I Met Your Mother things.
So with that, is there anything else you would like to say about the home page? Again, this is content-based. Is there not enough information? Is there too much information? Would you like a description of anything on the home page?
No, it's pretty cool. I like the simplicity. It's nice. I also like the nav bar.
Awesome. So we're going to move on to some specific tasks. So I'm going to ask you to do these without using like a search. Obviously, there's no search bar on the website.
Mm-hmm.
But try to stay within the website. So it'll help us with how well the website works. And again, try to think out loud and work with everything you can. So the first question is, when did the show start broadcasting?
Probably go to seasons.
You can start clicking on these
now.
now.
Cool. All right. I mean, I would probably go to seasons and see. Oh, it doesn't, I guess, really tell me. Oh, 2005, I guess? Or is that time and place in the show?
We're just going to move on to the next question from there. What year was the narrative started?
2030.
Right there on the seasons page? Okay.
Yeah.
Could you please tell me who played the main role of Robin?
Let's see. Looking through these names. Robin, Aunt Robin is, I have no idea.
It's alright.
Why can't I find it?
Did
I go past it? Probably. Is Robin not real?
Robin is a real character.
Oh, Nikes, it's Kobe Smulders, clearly.
Awesome. Alternatively, there is a cast page if you wanted to check that out for me.
Oh, yeah, wow, that was probably a better call, but oh, nice. Barney, Lily, Marshall, Robin, right there. Sherbatsky. Cool.
So, can you show me where a general overview of the whole show might be?
You know, probably seasons, I would imagine, because it says it right here.
Awesome. Thank you.
Him.
So I know we're going back and forth here, but
Mhm.
can you find me a character that plays a lawyer in the show?
I sure can. Well, we have the gang, and this is Barney. And Barney works for a bank, supposedly. No one really knows what he does. Lily is a kindergarten teacher. Marshall's the lawyer.
Awesome. Thank you. Where would something be that would be referenced to as puzzlesthebar.com or tedisajerk.com?
Probably in tie-in sites, I would imagine. Oh, Ted Mosby is a jerk.com.
And now, can you tell me what a tie-in site is?
No, not really. I mean, like maybe just like weird references to the show.
Now going back to puzzlesthebar.com, could you tell me what episode, name, season, and what number episode it is from?
I could try to. Oh, puzzlesthebar.com. Can I go to that link? Am I allowed to do that? Am I not supposed to do that?
It would be preferred if you stayed on the page.
All right, staying on the page. Can you repeat the question?
I can. So, can you tell me, based on puzzlesthebar.com, what episode, name, season, and episode number it might be from?
Oh, wow. It's Tailgate, Season 7, Episode 13.
Awesome. And
That's pretty sweet.
so with that, is there any suggestions of finding that information right there?
Probably something that says, like, hover over... Is this, like, the... Oh, that's the name of the episode. Oh, alright. Just, like, hover over the episode name on the right or something like that.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Awesome. So, let's go back to the gang page.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything you can see that this web page needs content-wise? There's an intro paragraph spot there. Do you think there needs to be a description of what this page is? Do you think it's okay the way it is? Any of the information for the characters?
Picture, maybe.
Okay.
I don't really think it needs an intro paragraph. It's just, like, telling you who people are. But, I mean, information's pretty orderly and easy to get,
Okay.
obtain.
Now, to the seasons page.
Yeah.
Same kind of thing. Would you recommend the intro paragraph to about the seasons?
Yeah.
Should that have these seasons are all categorized? Should that have its own title?
I don't really think it needs to. Pretty.
And now, the content-wise on this page, how do you feel about that?
It's a lot of paragraphs.
Okay.
I think it would be nice if there was like a link to the top. Like once you get down to the bottom.
Okay. Yeah, we'll fix
You have
there.
to go all the way back up.
Okay.
I'm lazy.
Heard that. Bloopers page, moving on. Overall content of this page. The intro paragraph, should there be specifics about these links? Should there be any suggestions on this page here?
I mean, they're just season bloopers, so I don't really know. Like, just bloopers for season 1, bloopers for... Like, you can't really say too much about that.
Now, do
So.
you see any problems with this page?
No. Just videos. Simple. Like it. Nice.
Okay.
Videos.
YouTube's cool. To the tie-in sites. So here we have the suggestion of maybe hover over and potentially for the intro paragraph, any words maybe on what a tie-in site is? Is there any perspective on what do you think should go there? How do you feel about?
Um, I don't know, maybe like just like a simple, not necessarily what like a time site is, but just like how to navigate the page. Like you could go to the website about how Ted Mosby is a jerk, and that's I don't know how like explain how you organized it because like I had no idea what anything was. Like I didn't know
Okay.
about the titles.
Do you think the titles are necessary to be next to it?
Yeah, I mean that's pretty cool that it goes along with the show.
Okay. So back to the nav bar. Do you think those are proper titles for each page?
I do.
Okay. And what do you see overall for a color scheme for this website? Preference-wise, do you think go with the website? Do you think with the nav bar? Is there? I know there's a lot of white space here.
Mhm.
Colors.
Uh, I don't know. I mean like based on the like top banner thing, it's like dark, so it contrasts a lot to the white. So I guess if you made it darker, it would be cool. I don't really know if there's like a specific color scheme I
Yep.
can think of, but
And then to any of the content you saw, is there any general comments about colors, fonts, things that you would like to see as a user on, say, a Weeds website about their show, how to find things?
um, no, pretty cool. I'm
Awesome.
pretty happy.
So that was really helpful for me. Do you have any questions about the test?
No,
Awesome. Thank you.
no problem. Thank you. I don't know how to end. How you supposed to? Huh? Got it.